So I'm back in the garage again here today. I'm working on the supercharger here. Started to take it apart. I got the intake out. I've welded a bung in the back of the intake, kind of where it goes into the supercharger versus spraying the methanol before the throttle plate. This will get it more directly onto the rotor. Should help with cooling. So I've got that done. I'm going to finish splitting this apart and reseal it. Make sure everything's good inside. I mean, the rotors look good already. You can kind of see it from in behind, but yeah, it's been a while since it's been apart, so I just want to, like I said, take it apart, reseal it, make sure everything's good. Well, I can't even remember the last time my garage was this dirty, but whatever. Engine's out now. I got my camshaft today. Got the blower all apart. I welded in a bung onto the intake for my water methanol. I'm not real happy about that wear on the rotor, but it's likely those needle bearings in the back there, so I've got new ones of those ordered. Basically, all I need to do now is take the heads off, pull the lifters out, pull the cam out, swap all that over, and I can start reassembling. So I probably should have tore into this a little further before I jumped to conclusions and ordered parts. Irregardless, I wanted to do the cam change and I'll be happy with it. But that's not my problem, so I'm really hoping at this point that the motor's not actually screwed, because metal and plastic have gone through it. So I found a small chunk of metal in the pan, and if you look at these rockers real close, like this one here for instance, snap ring's broken off of that one. See in there, that one is kind of cracked out. That one's missing a chunk. So little bits and pieces of this trunnion kit broke off and worked its way through the motor. And then I had a real panic when I took the oil pan off, because I thought, well, I better check there. Got all kinds of chunks under here, but it's not metal, not aluminum, not iron. It's plastic. So what the hell? You know, what's plastic inside these engines? Well, the only thing I could think of was under the front cover with a timing guide, and sure enough, the corner of that timing guide broke off. So that went through my motor, obviously got wrapped around the chain, chewed up a bit. That's foobarred. I don't know. I should probably check bearings and stuff. I don't know. I really hope it's not hurt, but I might be looking for a new motor. So I got the heads off and all cleaned up. Oil pan's cleaned up. I went a little further into the engine, not a whole lot. I took the cam out just to check the bearings there. They feel good down here, but it's starting to get a little rough on top, which I know is fairly common in these engines, but either way, I got lucky, nothing's hurt. So I'm going to send the engine up to the machinist, get everything tanked, cleaned, put new cam bearings into it. I'll get everything back here, and I'll start reassembling with my new cam, new lifters, all that good stuff. So I think I got really lucky. I'm glad I decided to take it apart this winter and see what's all was going on there. Probably saved me some time on the side of the road or breaking down or blowing it up at a race. So I'm happy about that. Beyond that, I finally fought and got the needle bearings out of the back of that. Got my new ones here, so I'm gonna press those in. I've got new seals for that, new bypass actuator. I'll get my blower back together. Yeah, things are coming along. So it'll probably be a few weeks before my next video, likely when I'm putting this engine back together, but until then, I'll catch you later.